So the yang energy is represented by the fire. Fire is the most yang. Yang means activity, action, out there, visible, bright. Think of fire. Summer, heat. And yin is water, is the cold, is the winter, the hidden. We can see this during the movement of the sun through the sky. That's how these ancient healers have developed this system, by looking at nature. How is nature behaving and how are things manifested inside the body? So first start noticing these opposing energies, this relationship with temperature and seasons, and then they start tidying in also the organ systems. We'll take a look at the moment. So then we have the yang, the most yang, that's the summer, the most yin is the winter. And then there is this awakening of the yang. So this is, we are into the winter time, down here into the darkness, everything is cold and hidden, quiet. And then all of a sudden, we got a pop. We got a pop out of the ground, out of the trees, and you know there's something happening. Energy is changing, nature is telling us. That's called wood energy. It's an energy that is awakening. Out of the water, the winter, comes out a little dot, green dot, a little gem, a little plant that will eventually make fruits, flowers. Okay, so this is wood energy, and it's the spring, and the climate associated with the wood is wind. And so we got heat for the summer, cold for the water, wind for the wood. Then we get into the summer, and after the summer, we got the yang is returning to yin. Oops, and that's metal, dryness and fall. So the metal is this energy that begins to contract. After the summer peak, again, there is this little black dot that picks up the energy, start waking up, and this is what brings the energy back into the yin, and that's the fall, that's the quiet. Things are becoming a little more quiet. We see in nature, trees are starting to drop leaves. We'll cover the metal element today, and then the others the next 4 days. And then we are back into the water. In the center, we find the earth. The earth element is where all these manifestation is taking place. The earth is the place for the manifestation. All the others are playing the roles. This arrangement with the fire above, the water below, the wood on the east and the metal on the west directions. Summer, yang, fire is south, and water, winter, cold is north. The earth is the center. This is called the earlier arrangement. This is from the 1200 BC, whenever BC is, I can never get those two right. And the center is the earth. Eventually there was a later arrangement where the earth element got placed between the fire and the metal, and that was to explain how these 5 elements interact through the controlling cycles and creating cycles. We'll take a look at that in a moment, and how those energies interact and affect each other.